welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome and thanks for being here. Today I'm going to be doing some swatches of the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. I love this palette. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. This is what it looks like. So pretty. Not gonna waste any time. Let's just get right to the swatches. That is it for these swatches. I hope that this video was helpful. That way you could really see all of these beautiful colors. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, I would love it if you would give me a thumbs up. If you would like to see more from me in the future, it'd be super awesome if you would subscribe to my channel. I hope that you all have a fantastic rest of your day, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys.